honorable chairs, distinguished delegates. Better together. It is a noble phrase, but we must ask ourselves, together with whom? Together on whose terms? The United Nations was born from the ashes of a world war, a war in which 27 million Soviets lost their lives. 27 million. That is not a statistic, delegates, that is a generation. Generation that gave their lives to guarantee the sovereign equality of all states. And yet, what do we see? A small club of member states who confuse their own agendas with international law, who claim to defend a rule-based order while exempting themselves from every rule that inconveniences them. The question before this assembly is not whether the current system is broken, it is. The question is rather, are we ready to confess that the system is broken? The Russian Federation has never feared this question. We have bled for its answers. We are ready. The question is, are you? Thank you.